Hello, folks, and welcome to part two of our trailer maintenance videos. And joining us is Danny Dino.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, so we are going to have to go ahead and we already did the lights. If you didn't see that, I'll put the post right up here, right there, where Danny's pointing. And then you can watch the lights going on this one, the new lights. Now what we're going to do is repair the bumper on this one. And you can see over there it's broken pretty badly. So we're going to repair that. And the other thing is these tires, oh goodness, they're old. I think they're about 25 years old. So we're going to replace those too. So join us as we do the phase two of this maintenance. But we're probably going to have to do it later because it just started to rain. Oh no. I can at least show you what we're about to do with the bumper. So I made that bumper out of 2x2 pine, and it was good and strong at the time, but it just broke right there where the bolts go through it. And that's just because there's a lot of load. When I go to dump the trailer, it pushes down on this and it broke it right off there. So what we're going to do now is I've gone to my hoard and I've found these. I bet you couldn't guess what that is. That is an old frame off of a bed, and it was going to go out to recycling, but I thought, well, maybe I could use that. So it's perfect because these metal tubes are about the same size. They're a little smaller than 2x2, but they're steel, and they have these ends on them like like bed frames do. So those ends are perfect for bolting something on the end of this so that we can have it be a good stop, and then we can bolt it again like we did here, one there and one over here. You can see over here a little better. We bolt it in two places. So we'll cut these off to the right size, drill some holes, and bolt them into place. Okay, and we're just going to give these a quick coat of spray paint to cover up some of the rusty bits. And I also did these. We're getting a little rusty here underneath where the previous bumper was, so we got those all hit with good primer. And we'll put a little red on top of that just to make it all look good. Okay, so there's the new tires and the new bumper. That looks good. I put a new cap on the top of this one as well. Let's flip it over and see how it does. All right, everybody, I think we're all done with the trailer because we got the lights done. You saw that on the other video, so be sure to watch that one. And we got the new tires on, and we'll come around and look at the back bumper. But we got we got some more reflectors on. You can see here on the side there's a reflector there. Let's go back and look at that bumper. All right, so there's the bumper all done. You can see I put some reflective tape on it, so that keeps it bright in day and night. And there's Danny playing on the trailer. Of course, that's like Danny. All right, everybody, we're all done with the trailer. It's ready to get back into service. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks so much. Bye.